Hello, welcome to another studio vlog. Yeah, it's Monday today. Just coming to the studio, I'm going to make a new sticker pack. I've got these little plant illustrations that I've made before and they're really cute and I think they would look good together as a little pack. So I'm going to do that. I actually did make my Christmas sticker sheets that I showed in my last vlog. So this is the finished result. I have peeled a few out, but yeah, that's the designs and I really love how they came out. But yeah, these are actually available in my shop now. All links for everything is below the video. I think he doesn't like my yoga mat in the corner. It's like, what is he barking at? We got some new plants in the garden. Anyway, as I was saying, we had some new plants in the garden which I showed you and he kept barking at them as well and it was like really funny. Actually, I'll insert a clip here. What did I say? I'll insert a clip here. I posted to Instagram. Oh, yes, let me show you the stickers that I was going to make. This is the first sticker design. Little cactus, and then I did a palm leaf one and then a monstera leaf plant, and they all have cute little faces. So I'm going to put them into a sticker pack now and then I am going to record a podcast for Patreon, and then after that I'm actually going to finish a drawing. So this is the girl I'm going to finish today. So this is the line art at the moment and I really like how she came out. So I'm going to finish her, do a little reel on TikTok. By the way, I am on TikTok now. So if you are on TikTok, you can follow me if you like. It's at Beach Life Studio. I'll leave a link below for it. Whether you're illustrating children's books or if you have your own shop, then you want to like connect your link so people can find you. And yeah, also some important things you would want to set up. Chucking it down with rain again outside. I'm just preparing a listing for stickers. And publish. So my new sticker pack is available in my Etsy shop now. Oh my god, look how cute. So cute. He's just a little fluff ball. So I'm gonna finish off this girl drawing now. Just got this little colour palette from Pinterest, so I'm gonna upload a little simple breakdown of this like illustration to my Patreon, so I'll include the colour palette in that. So for this post you don't actually have to be a Patreon of mine, but you can get access to this colour palette, so I'll just leave a link below for that if you want to use it as well.